Right. Welcome to the live session, everyone. Hope you can be able to hear me loud and clear. Who took the G? Who took this trade, my people? Who took trade? Looks like we have. maybe- Okay, so our trade idea coming in way. This on the 1 hour time frame. Right now, you can be able to say it's hitting the first take profit one. But remember, during London session, we got into this trade. We got into this trade using the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so it's dropping all the way. It's dropping all the way. Such an amazing trade that we actually took live. All right. And let's take a look at for what we have for New York session, guys. Let's see what we have for New York session. Let me know how many people took that trade. I want to see here on the charts how many people took the trade. How many people took this GBP card trade idea? How many people took the trade idea? All right. So for the new people or for the first person who is watching this call, just a quick recap and on the tools that you're actually using. So the first tool is the Winsor Auto Analysis tool that is giving us the trade ideas, it is giving us the take profits, it is giving us the stop losses. So you also have a copy trading account here, right? And this copy trading, what you've been able to do is you're just running it with an account that everybody can be able to copy comfortably with, right? Some people usually tell me the trades that they take have huge lot sizes, so we are running it with an account that you can be able to copy with. So this copy trading. The tools that we are using the Winsor Trade Idea and Analysis System. So this trade idea and analysis system, what it does is it will be able to scan, for example, it will scan the markets for us. For example, you can be able to see these are trade ideas that have actually been scanned. If you take a look at Euro NZD, all you just need to do now is combine it with the BMM version 2. So if you come to Euro NZD, all you want to do is look at Euro NZD, what is happening, okay? And I think even right now, I think we already have a trade now. So Euro NZD, 15 minutes time frame, classic moving average, everything. So it's telling us we buy. So if we come and take a look at the 15 minutes time frame here, if we take a look at this trade idea, if you take a look at this pair, Euro NZD, it is actually on a bullish move, right? So you can be able to see prices moving up. Okay. So this is one of the tools that we are using, and if you want to get access to all of these tools, just make sure you come here on the description. Okay, on this video, there's a description here whereby we have all the links. Okay, so get the auto analysis tool. It is here. Just make sure you register with the Winsor account. And then if you want to get access to the BMM version 1 for free, remember there's a link here whereby we're giving you access to the software itself. You just come here, all right, reserve your spot, put your name, put your email, and then when you now reserve your spot, you'll be able to see there's a video that's explaining to you how to set it up, okay? And then you'll come here and download BMM version 1 for free. So this is a landing page, a funnel that will be able to redirect you to that. So that's the free version. Now, if you want to get access to the BMM version 2, which is a high accurate scanner, this one, so that you can have it on your charts the way you're seeing me having it here, this one you will need to actually subscribe to it. And if you're here on this call, I'm going to be giving you a discount, right? The discount that I'm going to be giving you is a $30 discount, which it's a 40% offer. So you'll come here, click here if you want to get access to this. When you click there, what will happen is come, fill in your name, make sure this is your WhatsApp number so that I can text you personally on WhatsApp, and then put your email here and then click submit, and I'll be able to reach out to you and share with you the coupon code. All right. Having that in mind now, let's take a look at trades that we can take during. Let's take a look at trades that we can take during New York session. Okay, so as you can be able to see today, this is my Euro USD, not Euro USD, but GBP card trade idea that I've been able to take. Right, I've actually closed it just when it has hit my 2% mark, which was here. This is where we entered, this is where we got out. Okay, so let's take a look at what we have for New York session, guys. Someone is asking, good morning, can people in the US use the product? Yes, absolutely. 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 You can use the product from anywhere in the world as long as you have trading view. That is all you need to. That is all you need to have. You just need to have trading view only. Any person anywhere in the world can be able to use this tool and this product. So guys, remember, you are starting. So we are going to be doing a top-down analysis for US 30, and then today I don't want to miss US 30 again. I'm going to remove all the drawings. I don't want to miss US 30. So we can be able to see, I'll start from the weekly actually. So on the weekly, you can be able to see all-time high. So if it is at an all-time high, what I usually do is I usually use the most, how can I call it? This will be my high now, right? Because this is the only place where price has been able to reject. Okay, that is on the weekly time frame. Okay, another area of interest will be this one here, and then we just go to the daily time frame. Okay, on the daily time frame, now other zones will start coming up and showing themselves. We'll see this area here. Okay, this is a point of interest also. We go into the 4 hours time frame. So on the 4 hours time frame, can be able to see other zones are coming up. So this area here will actually be an area of concern for US 30. So you can be able to see price is able to come here. This is what price is doing. Price is on a bullish move. Up, tapped there, up, rejected there, up. So here is where now we need to see if price will continue moving up or price will continue moving down. So you have to be very patient for us to be able to get the exact move that US30 is going to make. So if I come on the 1 hour time frame, I want to ask myself, what are some of the areas also that I'm actually seeing? So you can be able to see this is a point of interest. This point of interest here, you can be able to see price was able to come, it was able to reject here, it was able to reject here again, it was able to come, break this, reject it here from this area. Okay, it was able to come, reject it here again. And now price is at this area where it has rejected it. Okay, so now what can we say price will do? Okay, what can we say price will do? Having that as our point of interest or a point of concern. So having that as a point of concern, we'll either be having two things. It's either price breaks above it, pushes up, okay, or price breaks below it and we push down. Okay, So I'll still go on the lower time frame. You can be able to see that's how you like you can be able to see that's top down analysis, my people. Like that is how you do your top down analysis. That is how you do your top down analysis. So I'm going to go all the way to the 15 minutes time frame, lower time frame. So now, because I've been able to understand what is happening in the higher time frame, I will just be waiting for 30, right? For 30 will come with volume, and this volume that for 30 will come with will really be a true definition of what is going to be happening here with US 30 today. Okay, it's going to be a very, 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 very uh, definition of what is going to happen with US 30. So right now my BMM is giving me a buy. Okay, right? So I'm still going to be holding this buy. I'm still going to be looking at this buy. Um, this is ideally what I'm going to be expecting to happen. So it's either because price is creating some equal highs, it's either price comes the way it's retesting here, it retests and then we push up. Okay, that is scenario number one. Okay, scenario number two is price comes, breaks from below, retests, and then we drop. Okay, and then we drop. Which I kind of feel like we're going to be having a drop. I kind of feel like we're going to be having a drop because you can be able to see we had this push all the way. After we had that push, we had this as a correction. We have this as a correction. Okay, so our point of interest is going to be this support resistance zone here that we have marked it from all the way from the 1 hour time frame. So let's wait and see at exactly right now is at 412. So at remind me to come on US 30 at around 420 so that you can be able to see what it has been able to do. Okay, another one is on gold. So gold, guys, you all know what is happening with gold. New York New York has opened. So guys, most probably this gold will just buy here. Okay, probably that gold will buy. Most of the time, we've been able to see gold being in this particular area like this, and our BMM being able to give a buy like that. And this is during New York session. It usually buys, my people. It usually buys. Okay, so that gold, but I don't think I'm going to be taking it into my account. I'm waiting for US 30. Can look for buys for gold up to like these areas here. Right, so that is gold, Nasdaq. So you can be able to see what your start is doing. I want to trade this thing. Let me put my account ready. That will be at 16:30. Any other trade? Any other trade? Any other trade? Let's take a look at a trade. NZD USD. No, 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 no. GBP USD. AUD NZD. 30 minutes time frame. So let's take a look at AUD NZD. Whoa, that's a counter trend, which I don't think I'm interested in that. AUD JPY 15 minutes time frame. AUD JPY. No, 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 not at all. Take a look at another trade. AUD card. 4 hours bearish. AUD card. Well, 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 well. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. Gold, we said gold, this one will be a buy up to this area. Risk very, very low on that gold. Risk very, very low on that gold buy. Can be able to see this is what is happening. It came here, created this new high, created new low. Okay, it's already forming two equal highs. I'm expecting those equal highs to be swiped out for it to push up very quickly. The best way to enter this trade will have been down here. So if you're getting into it, make sure you get in because right now it's heading to take profit one. So you enter it carefully, carefully. Very, very, very carefully. That's exactly what you're talking about, my friends with gold. Let it continue pushing. All right, for 22, for me, I'm not really interested in gold, by the way, guys. Actually, I don't think for me, gold is what I'm interested in. For me, I'm interested in this US 30. That is my interest. Let's see what is going to happen. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do when the bad times come? Let's wait for that for 30 candle and see what exactly it wants to do. A break from the low, continuing with the sales. Can be able to see we have some equal lows here. So maybe we can have it come swipe those equal lows or whatever. I just want to know I just want to know where that move is going. That New York open move. That's what I'm interested in a lot only. So it's at 424. This is Nasdaq also. Yesterday Nasdaq gave us this move to the downside. This Nasdaq came, broke this zone. So here with Nasdaq we can say we either push up or we break from below and continue pushing down. That is for the Nasdaq trade idea. So the next 4 minutes, we'll be able to see what is happening. For 27, all eyes now on US 30. All eyes on US 30. All eyes on US 30. Okay, let's see the ducks. Ducks. But the dough. 1 minute. Let's see in the next 1 minute what is going to happen. I think for me, a breakout from the downside here, for me, it's going to be a sell. All right, if we are pushing up, for 30, let's see what it does. It's beginning. Here we go for 30. What's not happening? Ish. That thing has bought, but that buy is too far. We have entered that buy too far. Okay, I will wait. Let me show you. First, my trading view hands. I don't know what happened. My trading view hung, so I didn't see that move. But anyway, your starting might continue pushing, or it might drop, either of the two. Ah, no, no selling here. All right. Man, the problem with your start, if you do not enter the trade with that volume, you're gone. Take a look at that. Crazy. That's the cause. Take a look at that again. You started doing the same thing. Eish. That is about closing those trades.
Tuna system. Mchezo pesa wanacheza mchezo. Tuna system na system. Tuna pesa. Noti.